Hey guys, welcome back to Just So Bored again. As you can see, we're going to be reviewing something a little bit odd. Ignore the disaster over here on the right. But we're going to be reviewing a punching bag. So as you all know, the pandemic's been a little difficult on all of us, and we've been trying to kind of stay in shape and just do some exercise in general. So we figured we'd try a punching bag. We've never had a standalone system, so we figured we'd try it. So here we go. So as you can see, the boxes there that are torn up and down, that's where it came in. It came in actually two pieces. The base obviously came in the smaller, fatter box down there, and the bag itself came in the skinny tall box there. So just to run you through what we did real quick, there are suction cups down below. It works great for a floor like ours do, hardwood, stuff like that. Obviously carpet won't do anything. You do attach the suction cups. Now you fill this part with water. It does have a fill port right there. It recommends either sand or water. They say sand's better, but water will work. Of course, remember, you don't want to leave the water in there too long. You want to take it out. So after the suction cups get installed, the next part is actually pretty easy because, like I said, it comes in two pieces. So all this comes put together, and actually you just need to install the bolts all the way around. Now, when you do install them, just put them in, don't tighten them down until you get all of them in, and then you can tighten it down. Now you could actually adjust the spring in this through these nuts and bolts here, and in the instruction manual will tell you. We'll link it below so you know which one we bought. And just to give you an idea on the price range, they varied anywhere from about $125, if I remember correctly, to up to $200. And this one was actually one of the ones on the lower end of the spectrum. We paid about $140 for it with tax and everything. So just to give you an idea, we're gonna let my daughter punch it a few times. She's been the one actually using it the most, to show you how well it stands up to at least a 9-year-old. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and show you how it stands up to a few opponents here. So we did fill it with water almost to the top. So we're gonna have her try it out first. And she's already getting tired. You hear the breathing. So far, the suction cups are working. It's not bad. All right, so we're gonna have my son give it a try. Now remember, we're not exactly trying to knock it out of the park here. We're not full on boxing here or kickboxing. So it works for a workout. So don't get crazy either. We're not trying to show you top of the line stuff here, but go ahead, bud. He's hitting it pretty hard. 6'2", 200 plus pound kid. So not bad. Works, like I said, for a workout. So throw a video on the DVD player if you're old school, or maybe if you want to stream something if you're younger, and go ahead and do a workout, and this would work great for you. So check it out, guys. Like I said, we'll leave a link below. And until next time, we're just so bored again, we make another video.